That's one thing I've always never liked about the transmission part is the damn teeth. The fucking teeth part, that shit sucks.
Don't align with the teeth. Dude, this thing, I'm surprised the cylinder walls aren't freaking blown out. I'm gonna have to look at it.
Just gonna have to pull it off like a sock. Is there like a cursing policy on YouTube? I'm about to get blurted out. Damn.
I don't even know how to blur it, honestly. Alright, this was one of the worst ones. I don't know if y'all can be able to see this. Oh my god. This one was pretty bad. Oh, yeah, this one's tore up. Oh shit.
That haunted house where it's like blurting it out, you know?
Alright,
Like,
so we pulled the motor out yesterday. I was gonna get some video of it, but it took 2 of us to do it, so we didn't have no way of video.
No hands.
No hands. But we got it out, we got the motor stripped down. We're about to pull the transmission off, and then pull all the accessories off the front, like the alternator, power steering pump, again the AC compressor, oil filter housing, thermostat, all that good shit, and then we're gonna go to pulling the head. So yeah, stay tuned, motherfuckers. Keep watching. Don't leave the video. Boy.
Yeah,
That's one thing I've always never liked about the transmission part is the damn teeth. The fucking teeth part, that shit sucks.
don't align with the teeth.
What the hell? I don't even know this thing working. Fucking.
Yeah.
Hello?
The screen is just black.
This goes black sometimes.
Work.
Just gonna have to pull it off like a sock. Wrapped in tape. It's super glued.
Should pop right off once we get this bone out.
Let's say like, I think it's the second dude that killed it.
You got the fucking transmission mounted. We're gonna pull the head. Alright, I didn't record it because we were too busy bullshitting and talking, but we removed the Vanos unit and the shit for, or blah 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 blah. The exhaust cam has the chain going from the exhaust cam to the crank. We removed all that shit so we can actually remove the head, and we're now taking out the bolts to remove the head. So yeah. Wonder how hard it's gonna be to pull the head off. Wonder if it just falls off. Alright, there you go. I think we do have to remove the spark plug, so I'll do that real quick. Let's reach down there. Yeah.
Just the way you said it, oh, we gotta take the spark plugs off. Zoom that bitch on your face like, fuck off.
You went from excited to pissed. He was Steve. Oh, fucking yeah.
Fuck.
When I go edit, I'll get it all clipped up and get it alright.
Trying to get to you in them bolties.
Alright. We got all the accessories pulled off of it. Oil cooler, power steering pump, all that good shit, water pump. Took off the tensioner for the belt. Pulled the clutch fan off. We left the AC compressor on there. We'll probably pull that off in a minute. Took out all the head bolts. We just gotta pull a couple E-Torxes out of here, and then we should be able to pop the head off. So yeah, it's been a hot one. I'm completely soaked. Head to toe. This bitch going over. You can do it. Alright, moment. Hey. Is it stuck on something?
It's probably it's a gasket. Yeah. Yep.
Holy moly. Moment of truth. Dude, they really don't look that bad. I think it's savable. Yeah. No holes in the block. Holy moly. Fuck yeah.
Here comes in the ring, Mark back.
Congratulations, y'all.
Hey,
I
I
pulled the
fucking
head.
did it.
Beautiful. Really doesn't look bad at all. Valves look pretty dirty and shit, and some of the ports need to be cleaned out. Other than that, dude, this thing looks meh. I haven't looked at bolts and shit. Yeah.
I still gotta go look for all the shit. But...
You already forgot where everything was. We just put it back there.
Learn as you go, baby.
About to pull the AC compressor off.
Huh?
So I'm about to pull this AC compressor off here in a second.
Alrighty. I'm gonna like wash my hands.
You fucking suck.
Is there like a cursing policy on YouTube? I'm about to get blurted out. Damn.
I don't even know how to blur, honestly. I don't know how to do it.
I must have cut that.
People say, oh, you gotta pull back on the tension or remove the belt. No, you don't, bitch. You just gotta be not a pussy.
I like that.
Yeah. You know, baby. We do this.
Toka. Alright, milkshake time.
What's up, guys? We're at the shop. Got the block basically down to the block. All that's left is a crankcase on there and pistons, really. Probably gonna pull the pistons out maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I cleaned everything up really good. Everything looks pretty decent. I saw a few little things that need to be addressed, but everything really don't look too bad. A couple of these pistons, I think this one and this one, are like chattering around in the block really bad, so we're gonna get some new pistons for it on the block, and then yeah, slap it right together. Alright guys, about to start pulling the pistons. Thought maybe I'd want to watch.
Piston number 1. This one really don't look too bad. This one honestly was one of the better looking ones. I think it was number 4 and 5 were the ones that were like chattery, and the edges of the piston you could tell they were like getting so hot that it looked like they were about to fucking melt. The bearings inside them really don't look bad at all. On that one at least. Let's see what the rest of them look like. And this was one of the worst ones. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see this. Oh my god. This one was pretty bad. Oh yeah, this one's tore up. Holy shit. I don't know if y'all can see it. Look at that. The whole side of it's like almost gouged out. And it's hard to see, but the edge of it is pretty hit. And normally, like on this edge, it's really fine, really crisp. Over here, it's like rounded off and it looks like it's like crumbly looking. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's pretty bad. That was number 3. That was number 4. Making sure I had it oriented correctly. Dude, this thing, I'm surprised the cylinder walls aren't freaking blown out. I'm gonna have to look at it and this one. Alright guys, I finished pulling the pistons. She's got no pistons in her. I saran wrapped her and I stuffed her in the back of the shop so she won't get any worse than she is. Got all the pistons and everything in this little box, all the parts. Once I can figure out where to get this thing resurfaced and cleaned up and honed and stuff, then I'll get back to it. But for now, I'm gonna save some money. And yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. It was kind of like a little 2-piece from us pulling it out the car and then stripping it down, pulling the head off. Basically just pulled the head off at the house so I could get it in a vehicle to get it up to the shop so I could pull the pistons. It really wasn't bad at all, but it's just easy and nice working in the shop. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed and stay tuned for more because there's gonna be more.